Extraordinary Dogs is brought to you by Uber, where we believe all dogs are extraordinary.
With the peak season over, the Italian lakes look calm and serene. Hard to imagine that these waters in the summer are crammed with thousands of bathers. Lifeguards must patrol the waters. Among them is a dog called Zoe. She is one of the best in the business. Amazingly, she can swim over 4 kilometers, jump out of a helicopter into the lake, and pull dinghies with her teeth. Zoe is a graduate of the Italian School of Water Rescue Dogs, set up by Ferruccio Palenga. Using their extraordinary abilities, these dogs have saved over 20 lives in the last year alone.
Io ero 21 anni fa un volontario di protezione civile, volevo prendere un cane, avevo letto su un vecchissimo libro che i Terranova erano cani da salvataggio.
With the famous doggy paddle named after them, one would think that swimming was common to all dogs. However, some are vastly better than others. Newfoundlands, Labradors and Retrievers with their large size are the Olympians of canine swimming and make the best dog lifeguards. But their size, power and natural love of the water are not enough. To become lifeguards, they need to train.
At the beginning, the first thing that a dog has to learn is how to swim. Because then we have some specific exercises that we have to follow. The most important thing is that they have to be happy to work. It's a game for them, it's a game for us.
And it's not just swimming. They have to learn how to jump into the lake from heights of up to 5 meters, from a moving helicopter. Today, the team are holding a refresher training course at Lake Iseo in Lombardy.
I nostri cani al giorno d'oggi portiamo le cose più importanti imbarcati sui mezzi della Guardia Costiera e ogni anno, quando abbiamo più cani, riusciamo a dare più cani alla Guardia Costiera.
Before the dogs take to the air, they must get used to the noise and alarming rotor blades of the helicopter. Vera and handler Bettina are one of the teams taking part in today's exercise.
Vera hasn't done helicopter training before, but she has done a lot of water work. We started when she was only a puppy and she's very good now. Newfoundlands are built for water rescue work. They have the instinct for it and we definitely want to keep it that way.